No, he's asking about any other apart from this class, any questions you have?
Sir, we will be having a project based on it.
Okay, okay.
Sir, we will be having any project based on it.
Yes, yes, we will do that like that. Project based means scenarios we will cover more. Project means again we need to have big data like we need to have setup and all the things. First, let's understand the concept. Then
Yes.
it is easy to take up the what to say project. It's like
Okay.
without understanding the topics, if you enter into the project, there is no use.
Yeah, sir. After
Okay.
explanation of the concepts, we may go to any project completion like that, sir.
Jatin, let's see one simple example. See, uh, let's say you don't know what is partition, what is materials view, what is bulk collection. These are the topics. Okay. Once you
Yes, sir.
understand the topics, once you do exercises, then how this skill is integrated to the project is simple. That I will tell the scenarios. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But we cannot what to say, do the entire project in 1 month because uh, if you take a small data, like let's say I have taken a small data like a shop, wholesale shop, how
Yes,
many
sir.
customers are coming, how many products are there, how many income is there, how many expenditure is there. So to create a data only, for us it will take time. But I'm assuring you, once you complete the class, we will take one scenario and we will groom it. Let's say, as I told one example, uh, like shop. So in the shop, how the scenarios will come, how this partition, materials review, collection, those things, how they integrated into the business, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
My point is, first two classes you give like I don't know SQL. First two classes.
Okay, sir.
Let's say you know the things. I understand you know the things, but first two classes try to understand your knowledge, what area you are good, so that I can pitch up little fast. If you doesn't understand the basics and asking for advanced concepts, no use of going for the classes. Okay. First, I
Yeah.
need to understand how good you are in SQL.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
Then only I can talk about project. I can give more inputs. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, Jatin. Thank you. Before starting the class, I have shared option. Yes. Because yesterday only he called up and told the student is ready, we will start the session. Okay. So,
Yeah, sir.
uh, this is my Word document. Okay. Maybe more than that. Now it is more than I have. Okay, this is my syllabus to cover generally, but yours is different. It may add on other topics also. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Total 15 days. We may go to like 25 days also. For us, 25 days. This is mini project will add. Okay, so
Okay.
the topics we are covering here. First one is introduction. What are the introduction of the Oracle? Overview of Oracle. What are the commands of Oracle? What are the indexes and what are the set operators, where conditions, group functions, aggregate functions, set operators. I hope you know these things, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will come up. How you know how much capable you are, I will get to know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Okay, sir.
then here again we are using performance tuning, constraints, set operators, index, those things. These are the basic we are going. But if you know these things, we will go little advanced also. Okay.
Okay.
Introduction. Introduction of PLSQL. What is the PLSQL? What is the background of PLSQL? What are the what to say data types of PLSQL? What is the procedure, function, packages, cursors, exception handling, all the things. And we may take one as you asking that I want the project. So we may take one hospital management system which is having ER diagram. What is ER diagram? Any idea about it?
Entity relationship.
Very good. What is entity relationship?
Entity is a single, means which is having single, sir.
Singular.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the small contain a meaningful set of data.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. You know the concept, but you are not able to explain. Correct. That is one where we need to handle it. Okay. So this is a basic of SQL topics, but uh, I will cover this one, and apart from this, we will add more advanced topics also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's start. First topic is one minute. I want to prepare you with pen and notes. Is
Yes.
it, do you have pen and notes with your hand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down the first agenda of today. Okay. Agenda of
Yes.
today. Okay. So we will today topic. Okay. One is basic SQL topics. Second one is Oracle architecture.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Third,
ARACH.
uh, so Oracle or maybe spelling will be different. Then we will cover tools to use Oracle. Okay, that's it. Okay. First, before going to the topic,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so that every day I will have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before going to topic, I want to understand from you some information so that I can go little faster. What is a database? You know that database. Can you?
Database
Mm,
is basically a place
mm.
that we store data, organized collection of data,
Okay.
and
Wha-
we perform some actions like
Yeah, yeah.
to
I think you are fine. What are the types of database?
we have different types of means it is not database management, sir. Only database.
Yes, database management. Very good. DBMS.
We have hierarchical network, relational database management system, and
Oh,
oops, object oriented management system.
correct. Can you elaborate those things? What is hierarchical? What is
Yeah,
relational?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
sir. Hierarchical is a parent-child relationship
Oh,
management system,
okay.
and network is they use many to many collections relationship between them for
Okay.
complex database. For and moreover, relational database, we perform different actions like retrieving data, managing data, and inserting,
Okay. Very
retrieving, and check means this type supports storing new data, sir.
good data. Correct. Correct. What is normalization?
It is an way of reducing.
It is a way of correct. It is a way of a process to handling a data, how we are storing, how we are inserting, how we are updating. And it is a
Yes, sir.
model. It is a
Data
model
redundancy, sir. To reduce data redundancy
data redundancy. Different types
by
of
using keys.
normalization.
By using keys,
Yes,
sir.
different types of normalization. First normalization,
1F,
second
second
normalization,
2NF,
third
3NF,
by law.
BCNF.
Yes, yes. So you you are good in that. I'm happy to see that you have background of this information and what is ER diagram?
We have entity
Entity
relationship diagram.
relationship. Okay. It
Uh,
having entity means
entity,
yes.
the smallest unit containing a meaningful set of data in it, which is real time.
Okay.
We have we will combine two entities with an relationship,
Correct.
uh, and for
Relationships
every
are one to many,
many
many,
to many, many
many,
to one.
many to many.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That is also important. So you are art. You
And
are
we have different attributes like uh, performing and for employee ID we'll be having separate attribute
uh-huh.
which is having underscore. We will be writing after employee ID underscore, which is an primary key we will be giving
That
it,
is
sir.
constraints. That is constraints.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is correct. Correct. Yeah, diagram fine. Then what are the versions of Oracle? You have idea what
Now
is?
the updated version is 21C, I think so.
Yes, 12 10C, 11C, 12C, 19C, 20C, 21C, 22C. So do you have difference of at least some idea about what is the versions there, why they are using versions that
It is
level?
an updation of the syntaxes or
The futures, not
yes,
the
futures.
futures will be increasing day by day. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that we will discuss in some not required that much, but we need to know about that. Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good to hear.
Sir, I
Then
don't know normalization in a depth, sir. Just I know the forms.
okay, you don't know normalization.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah, I will do that. I will take one what to say kind of detailed level of what is normalization, what are the examples and all. Okay, that is
Yes, sir.
one. Then what is the versions? Versions, any idea? At least what are the features? Not required, but if they ask, see, you are able to explaining your topic in a single word. But as I told in a
Yes, sir.
previous call also, don't tell in a single word. Tell with a definition. What I am expecting from you, write these questions and prepare one small sentence. Let's say, what is a database? Database is a storage system, like
Which
you,
organizes.
which is organized, which is
Data.
organized to store the data.
Yes, sir. And we
And
perform different operations like DDL, DML.
so, like that, like that, I want to prepare at least per a day 10 questions.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Okay.
first write down these things or take screenshot. We will complete it. Okay. Now, what is SQL? Structured query language. Correct. SQL
Yes, sir.
also they will call. So that is one thing. What is uh, history not needed. No one will ask these days, but they will not go that level, and we don't want to waste our telling like history and all. SQL and what is this? This they may ask. Different. These are our basics. Um Microsoft SQL Server versus Oracle SQL Server. Any idea about it?
No, sir.
Okay. What is what I will ask? These are the basic things to start up. Um, Oracle architecture. Okay. This
Yes,
one
sir.
also I think you need to know. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, first I want to get the clarity in what level you are, so that I can start my session in what level. Like let's say if you don't know what is SQL, what is ER diagram, then I need to start from basics. That's why I'm asking this. So what is uh, okay, server and client. I
The
think
data
this one.
gets due to database is called the database serves to client, sir. And we are the mediator who sends the signals to server to retrieve data.
Okay.
and we send to client to, then server sends client to how the data will be showing
Okay.
or displaying.
Okay. That's fine. You are in at least some level. What are what is data types? Any idea?
Yes, sir. We have varchar2, date, char,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
number,
Mm-hmm.
lob,
No, very
long,
good.
long, long integer, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Then I want to basics. What and all basics are there? Um, Database side. This is the things basically. Version control that is not needed. Let's cover the tools.
Sir, pluggable database.
That is R 21. Yes, yes. That is DBA activity, not needed much. What is pluggable database? Clusters and all the things you are asking.
Only pluggable database, I think so, sir.
Why you need pluggable database as a developer?
Means, no, I don't know that, but when I'm reading Udemy, I have seen that, sir. Pluggable database.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes. I will talk about when our architecture side. I will talk about it. Okay.
yes, sir.
I'm discussing something. What is okay? So take a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Tools.
I have written in notes, sir.
What are the tools we are using in Oracle SQL? Any idea about it?
We use SQL Developer.
Correct. Code.
Sir, it is an independent of platform, no, sir. So
Correct. Correct.
we can use any of the
Any of the
compiler.
tools. Yes. 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 But what are the major things we will use in the tools?
Yes.
Okay.
I have only idea on SQL Developer, sir.
Okay. That is enough. Some of the things Toad we can use. PLSQL developer. Okay. Toad, you have idea?
No, sir.
Okay. I also not having that is a license version, but it will looks like this. It looks like this. So it will be like this. Same. Let's say you want to write a query. This one. So it looks like this. It have like syntax and all. Very comfortable tool. Very useful.
Sir, it has different interface between SQL Developer and the tool.
Yeah, a lot. It has more flexibility. Like the options are very easy. The syntax and all the things are same, but the thing is, while what to say, while using it is very easy. Let's say I want to click on Toad. Like let's say I want to show the description of a table. In SQL Developer, I need to do little difficult, but here it is very easy. Okay, so these are the tools not required that much what to say input, but if anyone asks, it should be easy to answer that. Toad means it's a tool of using the database to connect the database, but it is a paid version. Most of the companies will not use because it is a licensed, so that company will have additional burden to buy this product. So they will use SQL developer,
SQL developer.
Oracle SQL developer, which is a free one once you purchase the license. Like that, we can start. PLSQL developer also is a tool. It's also a paid version. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And a few Unix you need to know. Need to know the Unix commands. Okay, this is also important. We need to cover at least half an hour or just commands. What are the commands we need to learn? How to connect, how to see the files, those things. Okay. This
Yes,
is
sir.
we will talk about at the end of the session, like end of the Oracle class. Okay. So these are the topic of basic topics to start the Oracle SQL. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
then we will go the basics of Oracle for few minutes. Then we will jump quickly of advanced topic. I am happy to see you that you know the topics, but my point is you are able to explain. But I want a notes. Write down these topics. I want everything with a definition, so
Okay,
that
sir.
you will understand clearly, and clearly you can explain to other people also.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
always
sir.
it should not be lengthy one, it should be a 20 lines word, that's it. If they are asking further, you can extend.
Okay, sir.
Okay, did you take the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm just covering the basics things once again, then we will see all the things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is a SQL? So I will give these notes also as well, so that you have definition as well. SQL, structured query language, is a standard programming language used for manipulating a data and performing various operations of data in them. What is happening? By using the SQL language, what is a language here again?
Queries SQL.
Yes. Computer will know the zeros and ones only, correct?
Yes, sir.
How zeros and ones will communicate with English? Using the language.
Using the language.
So this English language, by using commands, it will convert to the zeros and ones. Okay. For that
Yes.
purpose, we have different languages: Java language, SQL language, .NET language, Python language, like that. Languages are very important. It is very easy once you understand. If you doesn't understand, it may be difficult to go to the advanced topic. So basics
Yes.
are very important while talking to the what to say, SQL language. Okay. So
Yes.
one word, what is SQL means, you can tell this word.
Which is used to manage data
Yes.
to
Manage
perform various actions,
for
various operations.
correct. So it started is 1970, little bit about history. So 1970 it started. It introduced by IBM people. So once IBM people are started, they have take up Oracle has take up that code. source code and they develop their own software. They come up with Oracle SQL. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are different types of database, Oracle database, Microsoft database, then uh, Terabyte, IBM2. So a lot of databases are there around. If you see, I will show one website.
Sir, only the syntaxes changes between the
Few,
Microsoft.
few, yeah, few are syntaxes, few are total concepts is different. I will show one. I have showed. I have that link or not. I don't know, but I will show one database. One website is there which will show all the database. What are the types of database? That's very nice website. Some time back I have seen. Data modeler, data tuning, Oracle client. Out there. So these many databases are there. As per the Google, these many databases are there. Post-dated SQL, MongoDB, Red Hat, Oracle, IBM, lot of things, lot of things. There is a website, very nice website. I used to tell to the students that list of so they mentioned here very nicely. This is also one of good Oracle. What is the source? How much turnover it is?
Yes,
Microsoft
sir.
hosted and my these are the popular databases. All are all are maybe using SQL, but little very minute difference only. It's not if you know SQL top all the things whatever they shown Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, Postgres, all the things are same, but basic level is same. When you go to the
Concepts will be different.
handle the partitions, how to handle the performance tuning will be difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you see here, they mention database model, relational, document, key value. Did you know about it?
Yes, sir. Key value means that
Key value page.
primary keys,
No, no,
primary
no,
keys. And
no, 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 no. That I will tell. That I will. So do concentrate on this. We don't need to go to key value, search engine, what to say, document, those things are different. We will talk. It will be confusing if I start going in that level. But as you are good in topics, I just want to touch up. Do you have idea of that? So okay, I will explain why to you have good understanding. So what is happening relational? As you told, hierarchical model. you have a data like this storing capacity. Okay, hierarchical way they will store the data. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let's say father is there. Father under this child people, like two sons are there. They are storing. Here also two sons are there. Again, the son having again their family. So like that, the storage is capacity.
Yes, sir.
Then they
Sir,
think that
you
it
are
is very,
telling that the storage will be like this, sir, in
yeah,
the database.
very difficult. So this is not workout. This may be a lot of process, lot of scale city, like from top to down. If you want to go, it's very difficult. Let's have relational database. Relational database. In relational database, what they done? They have a tables. They have a tables and they have a columns. Okay, what is a table? Again, these are the things are very simple, but you know that I want to write a notes also. What is a table? What is column and rows? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they return two tables. I'm taking example what is relational database. So they have written in a column and a rows format, and they are joining the table. This is one way of style. Another way, key value pair. Key value pair same like the key will be there. Let's say the key will be there and the value will be there. The key will be there, value will be there. Key value pair. This is called as key value pair. There is no join, nothing. Key value. Let's say here the
Same
name,
like indexing, sir.
yes, name is Oracle. In the Oracle, again, all the information, total number of customers, total number of income, like that. Again, here Microsoft, they have key value pair. So this way, this is one way of storing. So there are multiple ways of storing. Another one, document storage. Document storage means just they will store in a document. They will store in a document. They will have header document 1, document 2, document 3. We are going above another topic, but this is not needed. We just started some. So this all the documents name will store into another document. Okay, header information summary.
Okay. Sir, here we are having in keys two types of databases now, sir. Oracle and
No.
MySQL.
Always Oracle and MySQL is relational. Oracle and MS SQL are using relational database only.
Okay, sir. While executing also, it goes with PLSQL database only, sir, if needed.
No. That is again different.
Okay.
Okay, that I will talk. I think you are confusing. That what? So why I started this one is what is this data model?
Yeah, sir.
If anyone asks relational means always remember Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, post-dated, those things are relational models. What is document models? Document models are used by MongoDB. Okay,
Yes, sir.
MongoDB, and there are few popular document models. Key value is Red Hat. These are all used by big data. Why they are not using why they are not using big data relational? They are using, but big data needed uh, denormalization structure. What is normalization? It is a format. Let's say parent will be there, child will be there. But denormalization means they want random data. they don't consider the data will be in a proper structure. They
Yes,
should
sir.
have duplicate. Let's say it's like example. How can I give one example? Uh, let's say your family is there.
Okay,
Family
sir.
hierarchy will be there properly. You know that.
Yes, sir.
If you go to same thing as a com or community, if you go, there is A community, B community. They doesn't consider who is father, who is mother, who is child, nothing. They want one community, and they will fetch the data, and then they will do operations. That's called this document, key value, search engine, all the things are comes under picture. That is new way of 2020s it started all the things. Because of these data models, relational data model less preference.
Okay, sir.
Because they are shown the results with this also, we can run the business. See, these are all started, if you remember, if I see what is this? When it started, it's around 1970s.
1970.
1970s. 1970s it started, and these things are started 20s. So in the short time, it becomes so popular and become in top 10 rank, means you understand what can capacity these things will have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, we are diverting. So where we are.
In third tab, sir.
So what are the types of database? I want to cover today the basics, so that I may take a little 10 more minutes additional. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the difference of a two-tier architecture and three-tier architecture. What is two-tier? Which is having client and server. That means, sir, what is a server? Server is a storing mechanism and
Storing
receiving
mechanism.
mechanism, and giving the information as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you have more clients are there, server cannot handle one request to multiple clients. So they come up with three-tier architecture, which is having application server. In middle, application server will be there, which is handling the request from the client and sending to the server. From the server sending to the client, it will manage. You can understand that level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understand this diagram?
Sir, when we give the request to the database, it is sent by the application server, sir.
In detail architecture, you were asking?
No, sir, just a normal way of explanation to the
Okay.
interviewer.
Okay. What is a client basically? A
We
computer,
are,
a
yes, sir.
computer which is having browser, or which is having a programming language like Java or .NET to interact with the credentials of the server sending a request. That means it may be Gmail, it may be your own programming, anything. What you are doing from this one computer to another computer, you are sending a request. The
Yes, sir.
another computer is nothing but it is a server. Why you are calling a server? It is having the information which is stored entire data, we called as server. That's it.
Yes, sir.
If doesn't have any information, if doesn't have any data, then that is a client only.
Yes, sir.
So your question is, when I am sending a request, how I can do it? Correct?
Yes, sir.
It may be anything. It may be anything. You can view Gmail. Gmail, let's say you are using user ID password. That means that is one credential to connect to the server.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So types, high database models, as you we discuss and you also aware, there are three types of model: hierarchical model, network model, relational model. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And these are the history, not needed very high level. If you understand, if you know, then it's enough. That's why I'm little fast I'm doing it, because we don't want to drag this topic and understand detail level. Whenever I prefer you, whenever you are free, search it in your mobile, what is
Sir, do they
client,
ask
what.
the different technologies based, means version based updation, sir? Do they ask?
No, as a developer level, they will not ask. As a DBA level, they will ask. If you are
Okay,
a
sir.
DBA, they will ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the versions of 8i, 9i, 10g, 11g, 12c. So in 8i, Java, materials view, these are all recover management and enterprise edition. So maybe these are the new words for you. Don't consider, just understand. We will come back once we complete all the, what to say, topics.
Sir,
Okay.
enterprise editions are for companies now, sir.
Yes, correct. I have the list. Okay, let's cover. So Oracle database edition, we have product family, standard edition, enterprise edition, and personal edition. What is this additions means? Whenever you are, see, what is Oracle? Basically, if you don't think anything about database, what is Oracle? It is a company, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is Toyota cars? It's a manufacturing company.
Yes, sir.
So
Cars manufacturing company.
manufacturing company, they see, let's say manufacturing company, you are a owner of um, Tata Motors of cars, and I am a owner of Oracle software. Okay, you decided I want to start a manufacturing company, and you are telling that to your colleagues that I want to start a company, and I'm investing around let's say so let's say 1 billion of it's a huge 1 billion of amount. Then they will tell that then we needed around 10,000 or 20,000 employees. How to handle this income, the production cost, all the things. The
Yes, sir.
single person cannot handle, and books cannot handle, and you can name it different geographical locations to update the information in the books. It's not possible. So what you decided, you approached to me that I am a Oracle company owner, and you come up with your plan that I am starting a manufacturing company. I have a amount of let's say this much amount, XYZ amount I have want a good software which is possible to store my entire information of employees, production, inventory, everything. Then this Oracle, what it will do for your budget, I can give standard edition. No, no, no. I don't want standard edition. I want enterprise edition. What is a standard means? It has some features of capacity to store information, to like getting the back capacity store
Only for
capacity.
students we use standard editions.
Yeah, not like that. Small companies which is less than what to say 10,000 employees, they will use standard editions.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
and
according to the
enterprises.
storage, sir. According to the storage also they refer, sir.
Oh, okay. There is a every year they may change to enterprise edition. Every year they will change. They policies will change. So size will change. Future will change. everything will change. There is a difference versus standardization enterprise edition. There is a website which are all price list of Oracle database server. Okay. Okay. So Indian rupees they added very good recently. See. So Oracle database enterprise, now they added lot many. It may confuse, but futures wise we can go. So lot many things covering database, advanced facilities, flexible pricing mode, develop support, life, a lot of things they may come up with. Okay, overview of enterprise. Standard, enterprise with high performance, enterprise edition, extreme performance. So we don't need that level of understanding, but when you ask, see, including Oracle standard, to and provide flexible virtual mission interface with the, okay, virtual info, they are providing virtual interfaces. And here enterprise edition is like data masking and tuning packs, real application testing. So the basic, you can, whenever they are asking about this kind of topic, standard edition, enterprise edition, what is difference means, just it will tell that the price vary will be there and the features of storage and capacity will vary. Because if you talk about lot many things, it may go to database activities, DBA kind of role. Okay. We don't need to go that level. We are more concentrate on logics. We are more concentrate on what to say, topics instead of this database and all the things. So they given see here enterprise level what is happening. Okay, that's fine. So I hope you understand what is enterprise, what is this one. So where we are. So
Oracle
enterprise.
database.
So 9i what is 9i what is difference? 10G what is grid computing? Is a distribution architecture. So up to 9i, the server, one server will be there, multiple clients will be there. When the grid computing happened, multiple servers, like in India, one server will be there, United States, one server will be there, and China, one server will be there. And this three parallelly syncing up the data. That's called as grid computing. Okay. Then 11G, 12C, we know that cloud computing. C is nothing but cloud.
G, sir. G means grid.
Grid
Okay, sir.
computing. I is intranet. Okay.
Intranet.
Yes. So in Oracle, we can connect through SQL plus. What is SQL plus? SQL plus is a command-based tool. That means we no need to do GA, command base. I have
Yes, sir.
database
Yes, sir.
SQL plus.
Like terminal, sir.
Yes, correct. Like this it will be.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will be like this. We can connect like this. Okay. We will talk about tomorrow what is DBMS and RDBMS and what is enterprise. Before going that, I want to talk about more on architecture, because that is also important topic. So we have covered normalization, we will talk about ER diagram, we will talk about tomorrow. This we covered. SQL we covered. What is different between, okay, this is there is no much difference between Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle. These are two companies using SQL language.
Yes, sir.
Microsoft is nothing but one company. Oracle is one company. They are using SQL language.
In their
That's
own in their own way.
in their own way. The syntax will be the little bit 80% will be same, but the concept is the concept wise is the same. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's say in Oracle, select star from EMP, you will write.
Yes, sir.
But Microsoft, you will write select table name. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But internally both are same. Like when you call select star from EMP means it will get the data. In Microsoft, select table name means it will get the data. Both are
Yes,
same.
sir.
The
Functionality is same, but
functional, yeah.
query is different.
Little bit. That is also not major. Little bit. So we have
Yes, sir.
covered what is client, server, and middleware. We did not cover what is data types. We have covered what is tools and using Oracle database. Need to know the Unix command. That is end of the thing. What is a table and columns and rows? We have seen the data. What is data models? It's a simple topic that's we did. So I want to cover about today about Oracle architecture for 15 minutes so that you will get more picture of Oracle architecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir, roles are used in privileges, na, sir? I think so.
sorry,
Roles topic is used in privileges, I think so, sir.
rules.
Roles, roles.
What rules?
I think so, sir.
No. What rules you are talking? What is the content of you are talking? Rules means?
I think privileges are
Yes, we have DCL commands, data control language commands, which is comes under grants, revokes, those things.
yeah, sir.
We will go into that level. How, see, SQL is very simple and easy to learn. But if it doesn't understand what commands comes under what area, it's very difficult to.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
main thing is where to use, we need to know, sir. That's what.
Correct. Give me 1 minute. I will come. I will have water and come. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm back. I hope you are not exceeding the topics. Like what I am telling is, if this um, this movie is there, na, what we call PS1, PS2. Did you saw that movie?
Pawan
Ma-
Kalyan.
Man- no. Mani Ratnam has.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
So, did you understand that movie? The information is more, the rituality is more, but the normal man cannot understand. It's like, let's say, uh, Interstellar. Movie is very nice, but if normal people want to understand Interstellar, it's very difficult. We will not understand also, correct?
Yes, sir. He need to watch 2 or 3 times to understand
Yeah,
this.
two or three times. That means if you believe it or not, Interstellar, I went to English movie. Then after a few days, like a couple of years, I listen in the Telugu also. What is the dream kind of activities? It's very difficult to understand. So why I am telling that one means I'm I know the knowledge of, let's say, 16 years of experience. I am trying to inserting in your mind multiple topics.
Yes, sir.
So I want to you, if you are exceeding your mind, like, oh, I got lot of information today, but I cannot store. I want to revise these topics. I need to revise, then I can store. See, always remember, movie and learning is two different. Movie, you go to the movie, you are telling to your brain, I want to enjoy the movie. That's why you are going there and spending your money. Then your mind is very opened to take up the knowledge. Once you come back, if you enjoy the movie, you can easily talk about the movie half an hour.
Yeah,
But
sir.
learning is your mind will tell that, hey, I have this much time only because I have interest on learning things. I will learn. Your brain will tell that I will learn. Once you enter into the learning mode, your brain will start uh, stopping the fillingness. Let's say a bottle of water is there. When you started learning things, the bottle is keep on filling up. There is
Yes, sir.
no much space. But when you went to movie, the brain willing to take a lot of information. So the whenever I'm talking to my
You are
friends,
telling that the interest level decreases.
yes, that's what I'm telling.
Yes.
So the grasping and giving freeness, it's totally different. How you will always, whenever any situations, you need to think about your mind. The main, whenever you are talking to the people, whenever you are going for interview, you need to read the mind and heart. Heart is like that is different story. I'm going to different topic now. I'm just telling that how you want to think in a technical way. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
always remember, in a class, if it is exceeding, let me know. We will stop it and we will pause some time and we will switch into different topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope you you have little space to talk about architecture now. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. Because architecture, uh, if you know architecture, it's very good so that you will understand more better picture. Like, let's say you buy the car without understanding what is brake, what is clutch. That is a
Yes, sir.
very basic level.
Yeah, sir.
If you are doing a mechanical activity in the car, what is engine, why the tires are rotating automatically when you do the clutch. If you doesn't know, it's very difficult to do mechanical work, correct? Same
Yes, sir.
like that, if you doesn't understand, if you doesn't understand architecture, once you go into deeper level of concepts like partition, collections, Oracle, PLSQL, those things, we you very difficult to understand. So always make a note this topic, write in a book, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. So I have a user client and I have a server process, okay? This is user
Yes.
process client and this is server process, okay? This always will interact from the client to server two-way direction, like this and also like this, okay? In
Yes,
the
sir.
server, a instance is nothing but a software I have installed that is called as Oracle architecture. Instance, we called as instance. Oracle database. Okay. In this
Yes, sir.
Oracle database instance, I may return instance. S is not the instance. Okay. In the instance, they are subdivided into two categories. Two categories. Very simple. I'm not going very deep level. Very simple level. This architecture will applicable for 8i, 9i, 10g. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12c, 19c, 22c is a pluggable database that I cannot talk now. First, the concepts are same. Pluggable is not a what to say. It's a game changer. Not like that. Same thing that I will talk. Okay. Once I completed this, what to say, this architecture, 9i architecture, then we will talk about 12c. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's concentrate on this one. Okay. So
Yes,
they are divided like two places. Two modules. Okay, let's say two modules they are divided. One is database. Yes. Okay. One is background. Okay. Uh, logical storage are also called as
yes.
physical.
Story.
Physical means you can able to see. You can like let's say this is one. Let's say physical is nothing but this is one file. You can able to see. You can able to open. But once you click on this, how it is opening is nothing but logical. Okay. You
Yes, sir.
understand what is physical and what is logical.
Yes, sir.
So
Physical means
logical.
which we can see, sir.
Yes,
See the
yes, yes,
location.
yes. Not location. Uh, yeah, location is one of the area. So in this again they are divided into two areas. Again it is divided into two areas. System global area. Okay. Background process. Okay. In system global area, again, they have small modules. I will not cover all the things, but main important modules, I will update you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
PGA, program global area, shared pool, database, buffer cache, buffer cache, Java pool, large pool and all not readed. Will be there. Redo log buffer. Okay. Here we have again lot of files are there. Main important files we are doing. Control file. Digital file. Redo log file. Place maybe I may not covering all the things. Spelling mistakes will be there. That's fine. Again here background we have important icon group, database, database, database. We called as MG and or I think not. Yeah. Okay, then this will be the data buffer will be there. And it is interacting to data buffer and interacting to data files. So always will be the like this background to this one.
The database WN means, sir. WN.
Bin one background process. One background process it will run continuously and syncing with data buffer cache and data files. I will explain one by one. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then redo logs will have, I think redo logs will have. So you may first understand and slowly think about this topic more so that it will be good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Let's say this is the entire picture of database. So don't confuse this many. I want to add more, but I want to stop up to here. Okay, because I don't want to what to say understand more, give the more information more and not knowing finally nothing. I don't want to be like that. So let's say you know what is SQL, correct? Select star
Yes.
from EMP. What will happen first? Here again shade pool will be there. That is important. Here few more will be there, like I will write the topics here on how to connect. So always we will connect it to this process. Okay, this is very high level. Listener dot vora file. Password file. Oracle server process. Oracle server process. Shade pool. We call it as shade pool. Shade pool. Okay. This shade pool will always interact with the program global area. Okay. Now let's say you are a computer and you have Oracle database stored. How from your client Oracle SQL developer is there, na? How you are connecting using how you are connecting?
Queries.
No. Connecting to the Oracle server. This is important. First one is you should have user ID, password, server name, host name. I will show the practical also, and
Yes.
port name. Port name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once you have this information, server name, host name, port name, you will first hit to listener.vora file. What is happening Vora file? That you are giving the server name, host name, port name. This listener.vora file will check this server is correct server. This server have correct port, correct host name, all the things will store. And user ID and password will check in password file. Once this information is correct, the shade pool, there is a connection will start. There is a connection will start for you and server. For you and server to interact to the database. Clear? For main things, you need to have this information to connect the database.
First, we need user ID, server name,
Host name, port name.
port name.
Okay. Once you get information, the connection will start. Let's say connection is like once you insert into your ATM, you go ATM and put the card and give the PIN. The transaction, they will give 5 minutes of doing the transaction, correct?
Yeah, sir.
Same like that. Once you give information, background, they will give some time, like let's say half an hour you can interact with this user ID password. Some places 1 day, some places it's up to configuration again. So once the bonding happened, it will connect to the program global area. In program global area, it will ready for their tables, all the logics, sum, minus, group by, already they have installed there. Let's say sum. Sum is for any kind of business. If you go to manufacturing, if you go to the small scale banking, any kind of sum is what? A group of values I need to make it a sum. So for that, you need to write separate logic, not required, no?
No, sir.
Already they develop. Let's say another one, data type. So once you enter into the values, you may be sending number, you may be sending character, you may be sending symbols, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means already predefined software, already they have built up. That's have been stored in program global area.
Sir, you are trying to tell that in PGA we will be already having the required
Softwares, required
softwares.
tools, because once you taken this software, you no need to write the code of sum.
Yes, sir.
You no need to write the code of max. You no
Yes, sir.
need to write the code of what to
Predefined
say,
functions, we call it.
predefined functions, we can say.
Yes, sir.
Already is there. So that is called as predefined thing. Shared pool is nothing but you have shared pool. You have written some commands, but it did not went to data file. As I told, physical storage is nothing but once you confirm that I need to store the information. Let's say I have say I have written some ABCD. If I did not save and I have closed, what will happen? It will go, correct?
Yes, sir.
So up to this, it is capturing. Where it is capturing? It is storing in the shared pool. That means ABC somewhere should be stored somewhere. Once you save only, if you did not save, it will remove. Same like that, the shared pool will work.
Sir, we can call shared pool as storing data, sir.
Storing temporary data. Storing temporary data.
Okay, sir.
Data buffer cache means I will get data. I'm writing here. I will get that. I will point. Wait. I'm taking little more time. I hope it is fine for your brain. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
If you see here, this information is going like this. That means you are getting data from data files and putting into the background process. The background process will go into data buffer cache. Let's say you are writing a query, select, what is this? What happened? Writing a query, select, I'm not writing fully, select star from table EMP. What will happen? It will first go to this credential, it already connected, and it will go to the program global area. That EMP table is there or not, it will check. If it is there, it will go to the buffer cache or shared pool. Then it will go to the background process, WinP, and it will go to the data file. From the data file, again it will return back to the data file, background process, and it will store into the buffer cache and it will return to you. So this process you may think very big, but it will give a minute or seconds. Milliseconds, not seconds also, milliseconds it will give. That is the power of their software. But internally, these many things will happening. So first it will check the credential, it will check the syntax is correct. Then it will go to the data buffer cache. Data buffer cache will hit background processor. from the background process is going to the data file.
Yes, sir.
Again, data file, if data is there here, data is there for EMP.
Sir, required table, sir.
Yeah, I'm not going technically. I'm giving a theoretical
Yeah,
information
yeah.
now.
Yes.
Table. Okay, you want table means table. It will hit the tables because here data files we not treated as a table. We will treat it as a segments and event. So that is different topic. I don't want to go into that level. I will go with the tables. As you know, as you understand now, it's a tables. Tables are
Yes, sir.
storing here.
Yes, sir.
So these tables are storing here and it will get back to the background process and buffer cache. Java pool is like if you have Java interaction from Java, from let's say you are coming from application point of view.
Sir,
Like
actually, Java is not a query, no, sir. Then,
no. It's not a query, but they are integrating their Java commands with a query. If you see the let's say example HTML is there. Okay. In
yes, sir.
HTML, they written the code body header and in body, they have written select star from EMP. So first it will go to same step, control Z. Same step, it will go to the listeners, it will go to the program area, it will go to the buffer cache, and it will go to the Java pool. Java pool is asked that, okay, this is HTML command. In that, there is a SQL commands also is there. Then it will understand that Java pool will be there. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then it will go to the background process and it will go to the data file. Same parallelly it will go. And redo buffer, what is redo log buffer means? Some commands, I'm not going detail, some commands, it's a temporary storage. Let's say insert command. Insert command, you are inserting the data into the data file. Data file here, data file. But you are not committing or rollbacking. I will tell that what is commit and rollback. Up to that, it will store into the redo buffer. Redo buffer.
Commit means we will be saving the overall, what are the modifications we have done, sir.
Yeah, temporary it will store. Okay, using this background LGWR. Using this background, it will store into the redo log files. Then redo log files, once you confirm, it will store into the data files. Sir, what is this control file? Control file is very important to the database. It will have the list of storage capacity. List of storage capacity where the file is stored, where the redo log file is stored, where other files are stored. This is having list of information. Always, whenever you are coming, first it will hit to the control file and it will divert to the particular files. Let's a simple example. Here you are mentioning, here you are giving the information. Let's say, here is that.
Sir, can you tell the definition of redo log buffer, sir?
Yeah, definitions and all I will tell that. First understand the concept here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
understand the concept here. I am clearing all the things. You understand clear how the data is going now.
Yes, sir.
If you any command, any insert, update, delete, procedure, trigger, anything, you should remember this architecture. That means, when I inserting, first it is going to the connection environment. After listeners, it is going to the
Password
instance,
file.
Oracle instance again it has system global area, program global area, and redo log buffer. Java pool that is different topic. I don't want to touch much. You can more concentrate on data buffer cache, redo log, how the data buffer cache will work, how the redo log will work, what is use of background process. Background process is a mediator between the data files and logical
Logic.
system. Okay. Background process means, let's say I want to run tomorrow 6 o'clock. What you will do? You will do in your mobile, one timer you will put. What timer will do? It will create
Remind.
what no. Reminder is for you. For
Yes, sir.
mobile, it will create one schedule and it will keep on running. When the 6 o'clock will come, when the 6 o'clock will come, I will give the voice ringtone to the user. Same like that, background process is always running. Whenever the time, whenever the situation demands, it will fire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is very important. Very important. The syntax, the definitions and all the things, you can, once you understand, you can easily search anything. Like, let's say Oracle, what is data buffer cache in now? Very simple. See, data buffer cache. Data buffer cache is also called data cache. Is a memory area in system global area of a database instance. It is stored the copy of data blocks. I told na, we will not talk about tables, blocks, segments, those things.
Yes,
That
sir.
reads the data in the file. That what? If you now you understand the topic. Now, if you read, this is also very high end. They are explained. We don't need that much. Simple logic. No. If you see here, we have discussed the topic. Now today you spend for half an hour. What is data buffer cache? Data buffer cache. You are easily can understand what is happening. See, the data buffer cache is a large memory area in system global area. What is system global area?
It contains of PGA shared
No,
key.
no. System global area, in a database instance, we have two parts, physical and logical. In
Logical.
logical, it is called as system global area. So you will get, see, giving a definition is not, it is a easy, I can give it a definition. But to understand the definition, first you need to know the topic. Definition, you can get it multiple ways. You can get it in ChatGPT, you can get it Google, anywhere. But understanding is important in the class. That's what I want to say.
Yes, sir.
So now if you see here, the database buffer cache is a large memory area in system global area. So what to understand this one? Data buffer cache is a large memory area. What we discuss, it will store the data we discuss. It may be big or small. This is one point you are able to understand. This memory area is stored the copy of data blocks that read from the data disk. This is again a little more confusing for you. Do it. As this area in CGA, the data will available for all the users. This is very easy. So when the first user run the query, the related data is read from the disk and stored in the data buffer cache. This point is clear?
Yes, sir. When user runs a query, the related data will be read from the disk.
So
Disk means is an database, sir.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, disk means it is a database, sir.
Again, your voice is not clear.
Hello. Hello.
Mm. Yeah.
Sir, disk means it is a database, sir.
No, 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 man. No, no, no. Your voice is disconnecting in middle. Okay. Hi, baby. Hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
So, yeah, it is not clear. Hello. You disconnect and connect again.
Hello.
You disconnect and connect again.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
మా నీట్గా చెప్పమ్మా ఒక చెప్పే నీట్గా ఏందే అమ్మా hello Jatin.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, it is clear now. It is clear. Tell me what you are asking.
Sir, is the disk a database or an?
Hmm?
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, you have told that disk. So, what is the meaning of disk, sir?
Man, in the whole world, any world, how we are living, breathing air only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Like any computer, any micro extraordinary computer should having memory, disk, motherboard, CPU will be there. Without that, nothing will happen. So
Okay,
this
sir.
softwares and all will store under the disk only. RAM will
Yes,
be there.
sir.
The basic things of computers will be remain same. RAM will be there. Memory card will be there. What to say? Motherboard will be there. And chipset will be there. Process will be there. That is by default. In the disk, one is RAM will be there. One is storage will be there. I think you know these things. I don't need to go to that
Yes, sir.
level. So what they are telling is once you store the database, they are storing into the disk. From the disk, it is reading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So my intention is, I think I take an exceed of time. My intention is understand first the topic and study the definition. It is then it will be very easy. Okay. Now this architecture you understand or not? Hello. Hello. Jatin, you are in mute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
you
sir.
understand.
It got
You understand.
disconnected.
No problem. You understand this architecture or not? Very high level. Let's say if anyone asks what is Bahubali means, there are brothers and two brothers is there. They are fighting for kingdom, and they are fighting for kingdom. That's it. That level, what is architecture means? You can tell that using user ID password, we are connecting to the listener. Listener will help to check the credentials are correct or not. From the listener, it will go system global area. From the system global area, we have different operations, program global area, shared pool, buffer cache, all the information, and background process will be there. What is background process means? It will interact between system global area and data files, and data files will have redo log, data buffer, control files
Okay,
with
sir.
a high level. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, man. Today we will stop with this class. Any questions?
No, sir. Sir, can you explain the definition or redo log buffer?
I
Like,
will give all the definitions, man. Single word, I will give all the definitions. Okay.
yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Because
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
my
sir.
my motto is to understand a topic. Definition will have multiple places. You may search it. First, understand a topic. Now, what you
Yes, sir.
understand in a your language, normal language, what you understand in a redo log buffer as per the architecture. What you understand, you tell me.
Sir, it is an commit way, sir. We use commit command.
Correct. Up to that, it will stop.
Yes, sir.
But you did not tell properly, but okay, you understand at least. Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
We will do that. We will remember, we will while doing the command, I will correlate all the things. I will save it. I will send you give your email. I will share to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Create a WhatsApp thing.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Your exercise today is I need all the topic whatever we have discussed. Single sentence I want to write in a book and share the definition. Not a definition, your way of thinking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, man. Any questions?
Yeah, thank you. No, sir.
How is the class?
Yeah, good, sir.
Do you want a little fast or do you okay with
Yes,
this
sir.
speed or
Yes, sir. Okay.
you need
Okay with
more
this.
definitions to give or more like this is fine? How it is?
Okay with this, sir.
You need more definitions also. Definitions you will get it. I will give separate document that is different to me. Uh, Before that, I want you learn. Learning is important.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, man. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
जय जगन्नाथ।